What's going on, guys? Rich here. We are looking at Mushroom Head, Sun Doesn't Rise. Now, this is a video, song that was recommended by you guys that watched the other Mushroom Head video because you're like, this isn't the Mushroom Head that I know. So you recommended one of the older songs, which is this one, Sun Doesn't Rise, which I think says it came out in 2003 down here. So, yay. All right. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you like the vibe, subscribe.
Some
Let's go.
kind of evidence, some kind of reason why I can't find a way to be in my life. Somewhere in this dying day, if I can only find a way for my escape, I find it hard to concentrate with all my past mistakes. To be in my life. I can feel my mind, I think I see my fate along the way. I made a lost my mind, I guess we're wrong. Damage in our own way, alone in our own way. Distant hands, I'm just lit power. I can feel my body, I think I see my fate along the way. I made a lost my mind, I guess we're wrong. Damage in our own way, alone in our own way. Distant hands, I'm just lit power. Sun doesn't rise at all.
This definitely is early 2000s. Early 2000s vibe. It feels like it. It feels like it. The way the guitar sound and everything. I like this though.
Who knows how far I'll fall? Sun doesn't rise at all. Who knows how far I'll fall? With eyes wide open, I can watch my world evolve. Nothing left to die for. Thoughts inside can make me crawl. Make me drop down on my knees. Break me down until I question me. Darkness can't destroy my drive. Sun doesn't rise at all.
This sounds like something that would be on like a Crow soundtrack. um the yeah, it also it has is it in the same key as that SOS poem to myself? That's what it reminds me of. The when it hits the chorus part with the boom ba boom 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 boom. This is a this is no longer a live action video. This is now kind of like a claymation stop motion type thing here. But no, I like this. This is like um
Who knows how far I'll fall? Sun doesn't rise at all.
it definitely does not sound like
Welcome
the
my
latest one
downfall.
that I remember. Dancing scarecrow. Not doing a very good job of scaring the crows. I don't think the crows are scared.
Yes, I play my great escape. I find it hard to concentrate when you can take control of me. Ultimately, all I keep up it makes me whole. I think the bricks around the corner. There's an error in my soul. I feel a fire coming from I think I set a fire along the way. I may have lost my mind. I'm damaged in our own way, alone in our own way. Distant hands, I'm just lit highway. Sun
Sun doesn't rise at all.
Who knows how far I'll fall? Sun doesn't rise at all. Who knows how far I'll fall?
So it seems like it was about like you have done so much in the past that it's kind of hard to crawl out of into something better. It seems like so like the sun rising is like a brand new day, a better day, and it's like you've been in the dark so long, you know, you don't even remember the bad stuff you did, that got you in the dark, but you know that you can't come out of it because you're just lost where you are now. Is the feeling I got from this song. But I liked it. I like both of them, to be honest with you. I'm not discriminate, but I didn't go through the years listening to the older Mushroom Head. So I think they both were unique in their own sounds. And I can understand what people were saying. Well, this is the Mushroom Head I know. But yeah, pretty cool. Thanks. There's another one here too, I believe, that was recommended for Mushroom Head that I need to check out. Requiem for Tomorrow. So that'll probably be the next Mushroom Head video we listen to. Unless you guys have any more, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video where the sun will rise for everybody. All right.